What we're going to be doing is a 25% tariff on all cars that are not made in the United States. If they're made in the United States, there's absolutely no tariff.
A new trade war is on the horizon, and this time it's centered around the auto industry. US President Donald Trump has once again promised to impose massive tariffs on foreign-made vehicles. His argument? To protect American automakers and bring car manufacturing back to the US. But will these tariffs really work as intended, or will they backfire on the economy? Let's break it down.
Before we analyze the impact, let's quickly define what a tariff is. A tariff is a tax imposed on imported goods. In this case, a 25% tax will be added to the cost of all vehicles and auto components coming into the United States from other countries. The goal of such a tariff is to encourage domestic production by making imported goods more expensive and less competitive against the US-made products. Trump has long advocated for protectionist trade policies, arguing that they will revitalize American industries and bring back jobs. However, tariffs also come with potential downsides, including higher consumer prices and trade retaliation from other countries. This new policy will mean that every car and car part imported into the U.S. will be subject to a 25% additional tax. This includes vehicles from Japan, Germany, South Korea, Mexico, and Canada, among others, as well as essential auto components like engines, batteries, and transmissions. The impact of this decision will not only be felt by automakers, but also by consumers, dealerships, and industries dependent on auto trade. The implications of this decision are far-reaching, with multiple sectors of the economy set to feel the impact. Consumers. Those looking to buy a foreign-made car will likely see significant price increases. Even American-made cars could become more expensive as many U.S. automakers rely on imported components for production. Automakers and dealerships. Companies like Toyota, Honda, BMW, and Volkswagen, which manufacture vehicles abroad, may need to increase prices, shift production, or negotiate new trade deals. Many dealerships selling imported brands may also struggle with declining sales. Trade partners. Countries exporting cars to the U.S., including Japan, Germany, South Korea, Canada, and Mexico, could retaliate by imposing their own tariffs on U.S. exports, potentially sparking a new trade war. Workers in factories. While Trump argues the tariffs will protect American jobs, some experts warn that increased production costs could actually lead to job losses, especially for automakers dependent on global supply chains. Trump has long championed America First economic policies, arguing that foreign car manufacturers have hurt U.S. auto production by undercutting American workers and industries. By imposing tariffs, he hopes to encourage more automakers to build cars in the U.S. rather than relying on foreign factories, reduce the trade deficit by making imports more expensive and boosting domestic production, protect American jobs in the automotive and manufacturing sectors. However, critics argue that the tariffs will drive up costs for consumers, making cars less affordable. Retaliatory tariffs from other countries could hurt U.S. businesses and exports. The policy could disrupt global supply chains, leading to delays, factory shutdowns, and economic uncertainty. With the tariff set to take effect on April 3rd, 2025, automakers, trade partners, and industry leaders are scrambling to assess the potential fallout. Some companies may shift production to the U.S., while others could explore legal challenges or lobby for exemptions.